Hello, fourth grade. Today we're going to make a bird collage. But we're going to make sure the bird has a front and a back. So we have to make two collages. Next week, we're going to staple the front and the back together and stuff the bird. In your packet, you would have received 2 large yellow pieces of paper and some squares in various colors. You need to add scissors, glue, and use a pencil. You're going to take the yellow piece of paper and you're going to draw 2 circles. So if you would like to trace a lid, or if you would just like to draw 2 circles that overlap, kind of like the letter 8. Keeping the 2 pieces together, you're going to cut the body of the bird out. Now I am going to make sure they line up, and they do. I'm going to open them up and make an X on the inside of the bird. That's the side I am not going to put feathers on. I am going to decorate one bird using my colors. The design that you like on your bird, you have to do the back side of the bird. Don't use the side with the X, use the blank side. Have 2 birds that are similar. I'm going to let it dry, and next week we're going to put them together and stuff them. I hope you had fun making your collage birds.